How to fix TruckersMP connection error. Welcome back to Teknobalta. During our investigation into recent TruckersMP connectivity drops, we identified a critical overlap between expired suspension records and aggressive deep packet inspection by internet service providers. Our testing showed that many connection timeouts are misdiagnosed as active account blocks when the underlying issue is actually network routing interference. Teknobalta's technical team has extensively analyzed this architecture to bypass these artificial bottlenecks and restore your server access. We have compiled the definitive sequence of advanced network calibrations required to permanently resolve this connectivity failure. Step 1. Validate suspension expiration protocols. Teknobalta's analysis revealed that players often confuse a historical suspension record with an active server block. The system retains violation records for 12 months, but the actual server restriction lifts precisely at the designated expiration timestamp. We recommend checking the appeal section directly to confirm your routing issue is not an active ban before proceeding with network fixes. Step 2. Deploy Cloudflare WARP integration. Our diagnostics confirmed that internet service providers frequently use deep packet inspection to block specific peer-to-peer traffic nodes used by the game. We tested this fix and confirmed that routing your connection through Cloudflare WARP successfully bypasses these aggressive ISP filters. This creates a secure, unhindered tunnel directly to the authentication servers, immediately restoring client access. Step 3. Submit high-priority technical tickets. When automated systems fail to synchronize your account status, manual intervention becomes strictly necessary. Our team determined that submitting a technical support ticket categorized under high priority ensures the fastest database refresh from the server administrators. Provide your exact connection logs to expedite the synchronization process and force an account status update. Step 4. Implement alternative VPN tunnels. If the standard WARP protocol encounters regional blocks, utilizing a dedicated virtual private network provides a robust alternative. We configured several commercial VPN clients and discovered that connecting through Central European nodes drastically stabilizes the client handshake. This completely circumvents local routing bottlenecks, causing the infinite connection timeout. Step 5. Flush local DNS resolver cache. Corrupted domain name records, locally stored on your machine, can point the launcher to outdated server IP addresses. During our testing, executing the flush command via an elevated command prompt instantly cleared these corrupted routing tables. This forces your system to query fresh, accurate coordinates for the multiplayer servers upon your next launch. Step 6. Configure Cloudflare DNS parameters. Default servers assigned by local internet providers are notoriously slow and frequently drop connection packets during peak gaming hours. Teknobalta engineers strongly recommend navigating to your adapter settings and changing the primary IP4 address to Cloudflare DNS. This completely stabilizes the domain resolution process during the initial server connection phase. Step 7. Reset Windows TCP IP stack. Underlying network protocol corruptions within the Windows operating system frequently disrupt the multiplayer client architecture. We successfully resolved severe packet loss issues by resetting the WinSock catalog and the entire IP stack through command line interfaces. This effectively rebuilds your network foundation from scratch, eliminating deep-rooted configuration errors. Step 8. Configure firewall inbound rules. Windows Defender often falsely flags the peer-to-peer telemetry of the launcher as a malicious, unauthorized connection. Our security analysis dictates that you must manually create an inbound rule, allowing full executable access for the multiplayer client. Ensuring both private and public network boxes are checked prevents silent connection drops in the background. Step 9. Disable IP6 network protocols. The current multiplayer server architecture is highly optimized for legacy routing and occasionally struggles with modern address protocols. We found that disabling IPv6 entirely within your network adapter properties forces the game to strictly use the stable IPv4 standard. This eliminates compatibility handshakes that frequently cause infinite loading screens. Step 10. Clear ProgramData application cache. Temporary authentication files stored within the hidden system directories often become corrupted after major client updates. Our internal testing procedure involves navigating to the hidden ProgramData folder and permanently deleting the core cache directory. The launcher will automatically generate fresh, uncorrupted files upon the next initialization sequence. Step 11. Synchronize cryptographic time protocols. Secure server connections require absolute precision between your local system clock and the master authentication servers. If your system time deviates by even a few seconds, the security certificates will instantly reject your login attempt. We advise forcing a manual synchronization with the global Windows time server to ensure strict cryptographic alignment. Step 12. Execute with administrative privileges. The client requires deep system access to read game telemetry and transmit secure packet data across the network. Teknobalta confirmed that launching the executable without elevated rights often results in restricted network socket creation. Modifying the compatibility properties to always run as administrator guarantees the application has full operational authority. Step 13. Perform complete router power cycle. Residual memory leaks within your local routing hardware can silently discard incoming connection packets from the game servers. We highly recommend physically disconnecting your router from the power source for exactly 60 seconds to drain all volatile memory. This forces your internet provider to assign a fresh routing path upon reboot. Step 14. Suspend third-party web shields. Aggressive heuristic scanning engines found in modern antivirus suites frequently intercept and terminate encrypted game traffic. During our extensive troubleshooting, temporarily disabling active web shields immediately allowed the client to connect successfully. You should permanently whitelist the launcher executable in your security software to prevent future interference. Step 15. Perform clean client initialization. When all other network configurations fail, structural corruption within the launcher installation is the most probable culprit. Our final diagnostic step requires entirely uninstalling the client, purging leftover registry keys, and downloading the latest stable build. This ensures you are operating on a pristine codebase with no legacy configuration conflicts. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more.